friends, today we're going to learn how to make double crochet. To start, we are going to make a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then now yarn over, and we're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and insert into the third. Okay. You should see the V stitch on your hook from the stitch and another 2 loops on the hook. So total of 4 loops on your hook right now. You're going to yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over again, pull through the last 2. Now this is your double crochet. Now let's do it again. Yarn over, insert to the next stitch, and now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you have 3. Yarn over, pull through both 2. Yarn over, pull through the rest 2. Second double crochet. Keep going. Yarn over, insert to the next stitch. Make sure you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Yarn over, pull through the rest 2 loops. Now you have 3. Keep going. Yarn over, insert to the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over to pull through both loops, and then yarn over again to pull through the rest 2. So let's continue to finish up this row. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert to the stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now we are at the very last stitch. This one can be tricky. Yarn over. Make sure you insert your hook right here, but not here. It can be tricky and hard. Make sure you have the V stitch on your hook. So total of 4. Yarn over, pull through the V stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. There you go. And this is how you make double crochet. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and check out my YouTube channel for more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!